Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called Are Built-in Appliances Worth the Extra Cost? Now, let's be honest, when we talk about built-in appliances, we're venturing into luxury territory, a place where the harmony of form and function plays out like a well-orchestrated symphony. But are they worth the extra bucks? Let's dig in and see if these sleek additions are right for your home. First things first, let's talk about aesthetics. Built-ins offer a seamless look that integrates your appliances with your cabinetry, creating a streamlined kitchen that even a Michelin star chef would envy. You get a cohesive design where your fridge doesn't scream, "Hey, look at me," but instead whispers elegant sophistication. If you're someone itching for that magazine-worthy kitchen, built-ins deliver that clean look with aplomb. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Efficiency. Built-ins can save you space because they're installed flush with your cabinets. Every inch counts. This can transform cramped kitchens into functional workspaces that flow like a well-practiced dance routine. But remember, you pay for those sleek lines. Built-ins often come with a premium, sometimes nudging your budget higher than a Phoenix summer noon. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Ensure your contractor understands the intricate installation requirements. Built-ins demand precision, like assembling a complex jigsaw puzzle. The last thing you want is a DIY mishap turning your high-end fridge into a funky ottoman. Let's chat about resale value, folks. High-end kitchen upgrades often boost home appeal, making built-ins a tempting feature for prospective buyers. They're like the secret sauce that can push your property to the top of the must-see list, potentially offering a payoff down the road. However, be wary if you frequently move. You can't take these beauties with you, so weigh your commitment before installation. From replacing old units to accommodating new tech, built-ins provide customizable options. Many come energy efficient and with smart technology, catering to both Mother Nature's fan club and gadget enthusiasts alike. They're pragmatic glam wrapped in a kitchen bow. So, are they worth the cost? If luxury, space optimization, and long-term investment align with your goals, built-ins might be your ticket to a kitchen that oozes sophistication. Just make sure the decision kneads into your lifestyle like the perfect dough of a timeless culinary classic. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all!